This week I'm tackling cyber insurance for the small and medium-sized business market. And the reason I'm focused on this market segment is based on a few statistics. First, less than 30% of these companies are purchasing cyber insurance. Yet we know from a study by Accenture that 43% of cyber attacks are actually aimed at small businesses. And to make matters worse, only 14% of these firms are actually prepared to defend themselves. That's pretty shocking. Let's start with the fact that businesses of all sizes need the proper defenses to ward off malicious intruders. This means the right combination of hardware, software, and employee training, which is then backstopped by insurance. When something goes wrong, and invariably it will when humans are involved, you need to transfer that risk via insurance. Cyber insurance can respond to the financial damages which arise in a breach, hack, disruption, or seizure. Those damages can be the result of lost productivity triggered by a shutdown, expensive lawsuits, the cost of restoring data, the cost of notifying affected customers of a breach as required by law, the cost of hiring experts to repair damages, and much more. The big point is that cyber-related financial damages are significant, and here's just a few examples of what cyber claims can run. A small firm with only 2,500 records breached will see their claim costs climb over $700,000. A doctor's office with 5,000 patient records breached is looking at about a $2.3 million claim, and a large retailer with 100,000 credit cards breached will cost about $2.5 million. And finally, a ransomware event where hackers seize control of a network and hold it hostage is the most common form of event today for small businesses. The average cost of a ransomware attack has grown to $84,000. Now, business owners may believe that some coverage for cyber exists in the other policies. Unfortunately, this is not true. Cyber is a risk not covered by your general liability or your umbrella policies. Now, in the small business market, you may be able to endorse some cyber cover into your policy, but my recommendation is that these endorsements are typically insufficient in both scope and limits. You're much better off purchasing a full-blown cyber policy instead. In my next video, we'll cover some common myths associated with cyber risk. Have comments or questions? I'd love to hear them. Please post below or contact me directly. Thanks.